Welcome to Outcast Fabrication Shop.
Hey, good morning, guys. So we're headed down to a new project in Corona, California. We're going to be doing a giant weed abatement in a backyard. We rented a really cool new machine. It's a mulcher brush destroyer, if you will. I'll get some video of it in a little bit when we get out to the job, but it's going to be a good 2-day job. We're going to go in there and we're going to remove all the brush with the machine the first day, and then we're going to go back in and we're going to rototill and level the whole yard. So I'm headed back over to the shop. It's about 6 o'clock here. We're going to load up Project F550. We're taking it today. We're taking our 2 trailers, and we're taking the Shop Yoda Senior, which is the big white Toyota. Partner Mike, Labor Mike, Big Mike, he'll be driving the Shop Truck Senior down there, Shop Yoda Senior down there, and we'll be in the 7.3 Power Stroke F550. So we're excited about that. And it should be a good job. It's, like I said, a 2-day job. We'll be back down there for part 2 of the video. So let's get to the shop, let's get loaded up, and we'll see you guys out there.
Alright, here it is. This is the machine I was telling you guys about. It's called a Billy Goat brush cutter. So basically what it does is you've got forward and reverse handles, and then you've got a lever to engage the blade. And it's like a giant lawnmower. It's got a circular blade under the front, and you just kind of roll along, engage the blade, and it'll chop down any brush up to like 2 inches thick or some shit. It's a beast, dude. So let's get it out to the job and try it. All right, check it out. Here's what we got to do. Remove all this. It's a pretty big job out here today, guys, huh? Let's get started.
Here he goes, Thrasher Eddie. Wild varmints jumping out everywhere. Got a shaky cameraman. Go back down the same path.
Outfitter on the YouTube Outfitters channel. Wow, this thing's working really good. Let's keep going. So we're out here on the job. We've got the brush goat going, as you can see. Let me walk you guys through and show you how it's doing so far. So this thing works really good. It's self-propelled forward and reverse, and it basically knocked everything down. Then we're going back with our lawnmower and cutting it down even lower. You can see we got Mike on the mower. So it's looking good. This thing worked really good. We'll start raking all this stuff out, making piles, and then figure out what we're gonna do. We were gonna rototill it after, but we might not need to, so we'll get back to you and see how it's going. We made it back from the job down in Corona with the bush goat, billy goat bush eater machine. It worked out pretty good. It cut it down to about 4 inches. So we actually had to run the Honda mower on low. We didn't want to do that with that mower, but we didn't have time to pick up our other machine. We're gonna get a little burner mower that we can just basically run right through the ruts. But this one did good. We still got to do a full rake out on the yard. We got most of it raked out, but not all of it. And then the client does want it rototilled after all. So we are gonna be back down there on Saturday with the rototiller. We got our partner Labor Mike with us, and it'll be a good deal. So stay tuned, and I will post a second video of the final product when it's all done, cleaned up, and the client's happy. And we do a wash down and a walkthrough, and I'll show you guys how it turned out. But yeah, if you guys have overgrown brush in your backyard and you're thinking about renting the billy goat, it worked really good. We got ours down at the Home Depot, so check them out and take care of business. We'll see you guys next time.